Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome to our last week of this online class. Congratulations for being so successful in these last weeks with Project 1 and Project 2. You've really done a phenomenal job working on those assignments, getting those interviews, and showcasing your skill as a writer. So fabulous work. As we head into our last week here, you just have a couple assignments you're going to be working on, the first of which is your final reflection on the class, looking at what you've learned, what you might be able to take from this class and have it help you elsewhere, whether that's in academics or in the real world. And then you're going to be working on preparing your final digital portfolio. And so that's the biggest assignment you're going to be focusing on this week. The thing I want to say about the digital portfolios is to make sure that you have enabled permissions so that I can see it and so that Amanda can see it. Because I can't grade what I can't see. So if I don't have access to your portfolio, I have to give it a 0. So I'm going to be going in and checking to make sure that I have access to all of the portfolios when they're submitted on Wednesday at midnight. So I'll be checking those Thursday morning. If I don't have access to your portfolio, I'll be sending you an email. You'll have 24 hours to make sure that access is enabled. If that 24-hour passes and I still can't get into your portfolio, then I do have to award it a 0. So please, please, please make sure that you are enabling access for your instructor and our fabulous writing mentor to make sure that they can see your portfolios. Because if we can't see them, we can't grade them, and then it's a 0 grade. And then that's a super big bummer because you've worked really hard and created something beautiful that we can't see. So please make sure that you're enabling that permission so that we can see it. So check out the Module 1 Digital Portfolio Setup instructions. That will help you do that. And because it is through Google, make sure that you add me as someone who can see the portfolio. So use the awardley@asu.edu email if you need to add specific folks. And this video is a way to show you how to add people. So as you can see, kind of hidden behind this little arrow here, it says make sure it's a published site, make sure it's public, make sure everyone can see it, because if I can't see it, once again, I can't grade it. And I don't want you to get a 0 score for work that you've actually done, right? That would be super sucky. So all of that to say, make sure that this portfolio can be viewed by your instructor and our writing mentor. And that is the big emphasis for this week. You're going to be accumulating your information in that portfolio and showing off what you can do. So I'm really excited to see how that all comes together. You're going to be submitting those on the 23rd at midnight. As they come out, I'll be checking them to make sure I can view them. I'll send you emails if I can't. And then our final grades will be something I'm working on this week. I have to submit those on the 27th. So if you have any questions about your grades, please reach out before then, because after the 27th, I submit them to administration and I no longer have any power to access them or change them. So if you have questions, make sure to reach out before that time. Thank you all for your excellent work in this class. You have done a tremendous job working through some very challenging projects in an insanely fast timeline. So take a moment, give yourself a pat on the back, a little round of applause. You guys have done a terrific job. So push forward, get these final portfolios done, reach out with any questions, and have a great rest of your summer.